On this episode of Trekking Beyond, I'll be traveling to Dali in Yunnan province, China. I'll be staying in Dali Old Town, also known as Dali Ancient City. Dali Ancient City is one of the most ancient towns in China. This beautiful place is filled of historic sites and traditional culture. I spent an amazing week here, wandering the streets, admiring the traditional buildings, eating the local street food, and exploring the outside surroundings. Some famous spots to visit include the three pagodas of Changshan Temple, the Changshan Temple itself, Erhai Lake, and the famous Changshan Mountains, which are a sight to be seen from anywhere in Dali Ancient City. So I'm back in the old city. I know of a place where I can get my haircut. I saw it the other day, so I'm just gonna go there maybe. But I love this street here. I think it's this one here. Anyhow, haircut? Yeah. Alright, so I found the haircut place, pretty satisfied. Did a good job. Perfect, just the way I wanted it. I've met my friend here, and this is the guy that cut my hair. And now he's, I can drink some beer here and chill out. You said your name was Matthew, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
He lived in Australia for 5 years,
Yes.
and he was just talking to me, so yeah, cool. Haircut's good. Really satisfied. I'm gonna try to do some nighttime filming. I don't know if I can get good enough light for my camera. But yeah, haircut done, I feel good. Had a long, nice day. Saw a lot of stuff, and now I'm just gonna maybe get some nighttime filming of me getting food and stuff like this. I love seeing stuff like this. Here's like a Chinese bakery. Pretty interesting cakes they got here. This one's like covered in roses. She's wearing a thong or underwear, just underwear and bra. I love that one. 您在滨海肴所有门店购买的面包、蛋糕都是。Alright, so I'm gonna do like a whole video shot of the most famous street here. It's called like Renmin Street. Like I said before, it's like where all the bars and like restaurants are, like the hot spot here. I'm gonna do like a nighttime video now. nice dog. Still gotta find something to eat. There's a lot of like acoustic guitar bands here, and there's a lot of music, live performances here. It's still kind of early, so there's like, it's not that filled up yet, but it's Friday night, so later on it's gonna get pretty busy in these bars. This fruit I tried. I can't eat it. It smells so bad, and the taste is just as bad as the smell. Anyways, that fruit was durian fruit. People always told me like it smells bad, but it tastes awesome. Nope, it's not true at all. Smells bad. Tastes just like it smells. Really bad. That's just my opinion. You may like it, but I could not eat it. Could not eat it. Oh, there's a squid guy. I ate fruit from him the other day. Hi. Two. Oh, I'm gonna get squid now from the squid guy. Fast. It's okay. 没事。 Nice, I love this. This is one of my favorite things to eat. The squid on a stick. I told him to hurry up, but I was just kidding, so. It's really good. That looks nice. There's a bar in there. There's too many bars here. There's another one. I've been to that one, but the beer is too expensive, so screw that, not going there tonight. It's like you don't know what to choose because there's so much, you know. What do they have here? Yangnro Chor. Hi. I guess you just like choose your own vegetables there, and like pretty fresh. Looks pretty fresh. And then they cook it. They cook it for you. Oh, what's this? Hi. Good. Shumaro. Juro. Juro. It's pig's feet. Pig's feet. How truma? I don't know. I can't do that. I can't eat pig's feet. I can't. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. No, I can't do that. I can't eat a pig's foot. Okay, I didn't know what that is. We get some fruits here, but it's Friday night. I don't need no fruit now. I just need some food, maybe some beers later. A bit more food.
grilled lamb on a stick. It's one of my favorite things to eat here in China. It's the lamb there. Put a lot of spice on it. Delicious. Love eating that. Love it. Dumplings, because I love these. And they taste good. They steam them there. They steam them. You're gonna eat them with a lot of vinegar. I love these. That's what I'm talking about. I love these. Take that and you dip it in that. Make vinegar, chili peppers. Nice. Can't wait. Can't wait. Steamed dumplings. Apparently this is like a popular famous rock bar here. It's called Bad Monkey. Might check it out later. This is pretty much the end of the street here. It's the end of it. The end of the street's just coming up. Had some good food and going back to my hostel now.